Hey, this is Brenda from Travel the Backroads, and we're staying in an Airbnb that does not have a washer and dryer. And so I found this really lovely laundromat, and I am a freak about laundromats. I usually take Lysol wipes and clean it out. Well, this place is pristine. Every time I'm in here, there is a cleaning lady who scrubs the washers and dryers. So I was really happy. So yeah, it's really lovely. They have these nice little tables and there's ports you can plug in. And not only does it take quarters, but you can use your phone and just add money to your phone and tap. And of course it has all the softeners and things if you need them. And then they have these gigantic machines. And look at this. I mean, this is crazy. It's so clean and neat. So if you're in the Bonners Ferry area and you're camping or, or something. Oh, look at this dryer right here. Look. I mean, you could put like 2 gigantic comforters. Look how clean it is. It's spotless. It's spotless. So anyway, so they have all of the washers and dryers have QR codes on them. So if you download the app, you can just scan it so you don't have to take quarters or anything. But look how lovely this is. I mean, you can just sit here, watch TV. You can be on the computer. Look at more dryers. I mean, this is crazy. And look at this. All for showers. I mean, how great is that for, I don't know, maybe you're hunting and you're all messy and you could come in here and take a shower and then throw your clothes in the washing machine. I don't know how that works, but I think that's really sweet. I think it's more of a mission for them, and of course a restroom. But look, games and books, and your kids can stay happy while you're in here. And 2 more gigantic washers there. I mean, look, it's so clean. Look how clean it is, and how sweet the little area for kids is. Yep. So happy traveling. There are nice places, and this is one of them.